Olivia. Where's Olivia? Quick. There she is. Say, quit moving the stool. I find you. What are you doing? You gonna clean my counter? I'll give you a rag. Where's Olivia? Go hide, Olivia. She can see you. Go ring around the table. I see you. Get out from under there. Now, what does it say? Where's Olivia? She not playing your game? She not play your game? Oh, she don't want to play your game? She don't want to play your game? Oh, you're birdie. You don't want to play your game? Yeah, I don't want to play your game. Oh, no, no. Get down. Go get Olivia. Go get her. No. Oh, she ran away. Oh, there she is. Go get her. Olivia, let her give you kisses. She wants kiss. Can't you hear her? Don't eat my tablet. Be roadkill. Oh, there's Olivia. There's Olivia. Go around. Around that side. Ooh, where are you going? Where are you going? I love you. Kiss. Okay. Shh, don't scream. You'll go wake up the baby. Where'd she go? I won't get you. Say, I found you. Excuse me. Say, I found you. Go wander. Go around it. Go around. You're such a big baby. To make sure. I love you too. Oh, Daddy leaves you outside too long. Makes you cry. Not right now. Not right now. Oh, angel bird. Olivia. Don't. She doesn't want to go outside. Make her yell. No, don't stay outside. She doesn't want to go outside. No. She wants to be inside. Hey, what are you doing? Go play with the bird. Ring around the rosy. I'm videoing. I'm videoing. Get out of there. Hey. That's not yours. That's not. Did you ask? What are you doing? Don't eat the lizard. Where's Olivia? Where's Olivia? Hey, where's Olivia? Olivia. Yeah, say Olivia. Go get her. Go get Olivia. Kiss. Give her. Say Olivia. Give me kiss. Stay close where she can get. Let her touch you. You gotta go with the baby. You gotta let them catch you, or they're gonna give up. Give her a kiss. She wants a kiss. I want a kiss. Give her a kiss.
She'll never give up. Like ever.
Good. Come here. Angel bird. Angel bird. Come here. Go give her a kiss. Hey, come here, Olivia. I want a kiss. What? Quit running from her. Let her catch you. Oh, she caught you. Oh, I got you.